Vibes, Nate vlog here, and today we're doing a unboxing. So I found this at actually Five Below, and I was like, wow, I need a new LED light because the ones I had around my wall, they burnt out, and I had those for many years. So anyways, this is $5, and let's see what this can do. Here we go, unboxing. So of course we need our scissors. All right, there we go. And by the way, this is the E-Ssential Multicolor LED Light Bar with remote control. And first thing on, of course, oh, here's the remote, guys. Does it come with batteries? Take that off. Oh my gosh, come on. They make this so complicated. Oh, okay, yeah. Luckily it came with a battery. Third. Oh! Jeez. Oh my gosh, how did this go? Okay, I think maybe like that. Okay. Plastic. Alright, what's next? Here we go. And there's the actual light. Very cheaply made. I mean, is this really gonna work? Okay, so wait, so we need to... What do you call that? What kind is that? Like the old iPhone plug-in? Or any type? What do you call that? What is this? I should know, right? Okay, so to be honest, it's just a regular USB charging cable, whatever. And yeah, need one of these. Plug it in. Okay, is there any instructions on how this works? And oh, here we go. Let's see what we need to do. Adjust all this, different modes. So yeah, let's get this plugged in. Here we go. I sure hope this will reach because I got a plug right here. Okay, hold on, let's figure this out. Oh, let's undo this. Come on, take this off. Let's get it. That's as far as it goes. That's it. That's what you're dealing with right there. So yeah, is that gonna reach? Damn, looks like this thing's already falling apart. Look at that. Oh, did I break it? Oops. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, is it good? Are we good? Are we good? Alright, let's see. Am I filming? Am I good? Are we good here? Oh, Jesus. Alright, here we go. Got an extension here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it's alright, I guess. Alright, let's try these different switches. Here we go. First one on top. What does that do? First one, maybe we should actually read this, right? Adjusting light brightness using these arrows. Okay, so look at this. We can go up, and down. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, you can't even see what's going on here. Hold on, So the brightness going up, super bright, and then yeah, super not light. okay. I was like, when I first like turned this on, I was like, wow, that's it. That's all we're gonna do. Shit gets pretty bright. Yeah, that's good. That's not bad. All right, what does this do? All right, turn it off. Gotta turn it back on. Okay. Ooh, red? Look at that red. Wow. Can this go back? That's it, huh? Yeah. Not too good, to be honest. Not as bright as the normal light. Green, blue, orange, green, purple, lime green. I don't know, you can't really even see in the video. Yeah, I kind of wish it was a little brighter. Ooh, blue looks nice. Blue, purple, yellow, another blue, and a lighter purple. If this thing was only lighter, like bright, unless it's just because we're in the light right now. Is that how it is? Maybe if it's darker, I don't know. Check that out. Does that look pretty good? Smooth. Let's go back to flash. Look at that, different colors. Oh, yeah, this thing needs to. This is not good. This stand here is trash, absolute. Class 1 LED product. Class 1, huh? I mean, look at that. You gonna stay? No. You gonna stay? No. All right. You gonna chill out? Nope. Nope. There goes that. This is what you get for $5. Five Below. Fade. What does that do? I know you can't really see it on the camera. It just gets brighter. Strobe. Okay, just different colors, yeah. Just kind of like flash. Come on, make this brighter. Let's get this brighter. Come on. Whoa! Police! That's trippy. Alright, that's enough of that. So off. Let's turn it back on. Okay, okay, too crazy. Look at it, do I have to just hold it? Come on. Alright. Is that good? I just want it to be solid. There, red, okay. Okay, let's make this bright. That's the brightest it gets, okay. Well, let me turn this. Let's see what this looks like with green, blue, like a lightsaber. Right? What does this one do? Just solid white light. White. Alright. So, yeah. Like I say, you get what you pay for. Adjust lightness and brightness using these arrows. Press once to power off. Press once to power off. So, okay, so power, which one's power on? Okay, green is power on. Red is power off. Okay, check this out. Off, on. Alright, we got that settled. That is good. That's good information right there. Alright, press once you choose a solid light color. 4 light modes change colors automatically. Okay, so we'll go with red. Different modes. Flash. Oh, more like tip over. Flash goes to different colors. Oh my gosh, really? Smooth. Fade. Strobe. Just not doing crazy colors again? Oh, I just need to... You gotta like directly point the remote at it. That's the problem. Yep, just like that. Well, there you have it. So apparently you're supposed to put this to your TV and it's supposed to look like light coming beneath it. Or you put it next to your contemporary bed. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. If you have a contemporary bed like that, I don't think you're gonna buy a $5 light like this. Okay, you got some money if you have your bed like that. Can you even see what it looks like? Can you see that? Focus. Yeah, look at that bed right there. Look at that. Really? You got a TV like that too? You're really gonna use these $5 lights? Or are you gonna go on Amazon and get yourself a professional one? Alright, well, that's your LED light bar for $5 at 5 and up. So, yeah, do I recommend this? If you got $5, I guess. I'm gonna try it. Like, I love having lights in my room, so. Oh, this is driving me crazy. Look at these crazy lights. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna do justice, but you know, we'll use it until we get something better, right? Alright, so let me put the smoothness on. So it like just fades to different colors softly instead of the crazy strobe lights, police lights, right? And I was just noticing, yeah, you take this off, right? And look at that. There's another hole. Wow. What do you think of that? I was like, why would this come off so easily? Well, that's the reason. Kind of funky how they put the bar just like that right behind there. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but for me, what if I wanted to tape it under, right? Or use the back here as tape. Now, I can't use it. Look at that. What am I supposed to do here? So, we're stuck on these two options here. Oh, you know, we could do this side, figure something. I don't know. Well, I'll play around with it. I'll play around with it for sure. So, but for $5, it is what it is. Extra lighting. It's crazy. On Amazon, they're selling it for $10.98 when Five Below, you can get it for $5. You pay double. I guess it's good to shop around. Normally, Amazon would be the best deals. That's unusual. Oh, okay, wow. They're having a 30% off, so it was 15, now it's 10. Wow, jeez, okay. I'm just looking at the reviews right now and see how other people feel about it, and not too happy. 3.9 out of 5. So, yeah, it's just like how I feel about it. It's alright, I guess, whatever. I mean, I know on camera it doesn't look right, but in person, it does look a lot better. So, alright, there you have it. Anyways, $5 light from Five Below, which is a discount area, kind of like a 99-cent store, but better quality stuff. And apparently they're supposed to be $5 down below, right? To what, $1? But nowadays it's pretty much 5 and up. Yeah, not good at all. Well, that's what we live in nowadays. So anyways, like and subscribe all the way. Hit up my PayPal for, you know, supporting the Groovy channel here. Best of the best content. Yeah, product review this time, huh? Not eating food. All right, we'll see ya. I'm gonna set this up in my room. Bye-bye. Take care.